Okay, when we're showing expressions of integers on the number line, it might look something like this. We have to evaluate, okay, which expression down here is actually shown on the number line with these little arcs of jumps. So we always start at 0 because we're starting with nothing, and then we go kind of in order of the integers left to right. So if we're starting with 0 here, let's look at what's actually happening on this number line. I'm starting from 0 and I'm going whoop, all the way over here. How far to the right did I go? I went +7. I went 7 spots over to the right. So this green part actually is showing 7. Then once I hit 7, it's not coming from the 0, it's coming from where I landed. There's a red arc that goes over to the 3. That's how many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 spaces. It's not 4 spaces to the right in a positive direction. It's 4 spaces back in the left towards 0, which is -4. So I have a big arc going 7 and a little arc going -4. So my answer is going to be, first I went 7, and then plus -4. Or it could also mean 7 minus 4. That would work too, because really we're adding 7 and then we're subtracting 4 to go back this way. 7 minus 4 is indeed 3. Wherever we land, that's the answer here. Both of these equal 3 because same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3, and then I keep the sign of that bigger number. 7 minus 4 is 3. Same signs add and keep. Different signs subtract. And this one we just subtracted. We've just got 3. Anyway, so it looks like this is going to be the expression that matches. But it's always good as a test taker to check and make sure you didn't make an error. So this one right here would be -4. What would that look like on a number line? We started from 0. We'd go over to -4. Might need to make this longer. And then we went up 7 spots. We would land on +3. So we would get the same answer of +3, but does this number line look like this one? No. This one starts at 0, goes left to the negative area, and then goes right +7. This one right here starts at 0 and goes right to 7 and left -4. So there are different expressions that are representing these two different number lines. So this actually isn't an option. 0 plus 3, well, 0 plus 3. The answer, again, is 3, but does this number line representation, look the same as this? No, this has two things going on. One is 7, one is -4. This one right here, nope, just one thing going on, starting at 0 and going to 3. This one right here is 7 plus 4. That one is going to look something like this. So far, so good. We've got a +7 arc, but then we're adding another 4. And we're actually going to end at 11. So that one doesn't have the correct answer. So the only expression that represents that this number line represents is this one. Don't get tricked into picking something different because it has similar numbers or similar answers.